Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Mustang key fob. This simple, do-it-yourself method can save you a trip to the dealership. Before we begin, please gather all the key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. This procedure will reset all current fobs, so they must all be reprogrammed together. You can program up to 4 key fobs in one session. To start, insert your ignition key into the ignition cylinder. Now, you'll need to quickly turn the key from the off position to the run position 8 times. Make sure to do this within a 10-second window and finish with the key in the run position. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when your vehicle's door locks cycle, meaning they will lock and then unlock. Once your Mustang is in programming mode, it's time to program each key fob. Take your first key fob and press any button on it within 10 seconds. The door locks will cycle again, confirming that this fob has been successfully programmed. If you have additional key fobs, repeat this step for each one, pressing a button on each remote within 10 seconds of the previous one. Remember, all fobs must be programmed in this single session. To exit programming mode, simply turn your ignition key to the off position. The door locks will cycle one last time, indicating that the programming sequence is complete. Now, remove the key from the ignition. It's important to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they are working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your doors with each one. If any fob isn't working, you may need to repeat the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.